Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale to lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, increasing circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Release and return to center. With an inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Make a light fist. Exhale, circle out and down. Continue moving at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Exhale, make a light fist and bending at your wrist. Circle down, lowering your arms. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your fingertips to your shoulders. Alternate between extending your arms shoulder height, palms facing upward, and touching your fingertips to your shoulders, creating more energy through your upper body, stretching through your arms, hands, and shoulders. Pause with both arms extended. Alternate between rolling your shoulders down and back, rotating your palms upward, and gently rolling your shoulders forward, rotating your palms down and back. Release, returning to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, contracting through your quadriceps. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Continue wrapping this flowing movement around your breath, moving at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and step your feet back to center. Moving into a reversed plank position variation, place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, inseams rotating inward slightly. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm up and over to the right, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm up and over to the left, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and step your feet back to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.